Alright you guys, so today this arrived in the mail, and what this is it's a power converter. It takes 12 volts DC coming in this side, and it turns it into 5 volts DC coming out of this side. And so I've been waiting for this thing in the mail, and the reason why it's important is because it will allow me to finish my radio project. So the first thing that we're going to have to do to get this thing ready is we're going to have to attach a positive and a negative wire onto the radio board here. And so I'm going to go ahead and strip the end of the wire and then get ready to solder. There should be plenty there. Might be too much. I might have to actually get rid of some of the wires here. So you see how I split it? I might have to get rid of some of this extra wire so that I can fit it into the tiny hole there and then solder it on. Alright, and so then you should end up with something like that. Alright, so my soldering iron is on and it is up to temp. My pad is soaked, so I am ready to solder this positive lead onto here. Okay. Again, make sure that you're not breathing in any of this smoke. It does have lead in it. Let's check it out. So it looks good on that side. See how close the positive and the negative are there. I'm trying to be really careful because I don't want them touching, which could cause the board to short out. Check it on the back side. We've got solder all the way through. Alright, and now we are going to try to do the same for the negative lead. So I just got the final piece to my radio here. This is the sound coming in through the auxiliary cable to a micro USB, and so that's going to go into the board right here. And while it's a good thing that I got this and that means that I can finish this up, it's also kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to go back and actually rebuild the wooden faceplate because the cord goes right through where the switch is, and so I'm gonna have to move the radio further this way and move the switch further that way, and figure something out so that way this can wrap around there somehow, and then I will drill a hole and then glue it into place. Alright, so I'll film making the next one. And as always, don't forget to like, dislike, subscribe, or leave a comment. Anyways, thanks guys, see you next time.